Hey guys, this video is going to be very short. I just wanted to tell you about a model that I have been working on for some time now, and I wanted to know how many of you want me to make a video on how to build it. The reason that I'm asking is because I'm working on many projects right now, and as you can probably imagine, it takes time and a lot of effort to make those videos at the same time. So this time I decided, before I'm going to spend a lot of time creating a video for this model, I will just ask you first. I can tell you that I had a lot of fun working on this guitar model. I have used a ton of techniques, workflows, strategies, and whatnot. That means if you will study this model and understand every step, your Fusion 360 knowledge will increase tremendously. And remember, my videos are not just about the models and how to create them, but rather about the techniques and workflows. My main focus and goal with these videos is to help you develop your skills, imagination, and how to think out of the box. So if you want to learn new techniques, develop your skills, and want to see how I build this model, then please do the following. First, in the description, you will find a link that will take you to this voting page on my website. If you haven't created an account yet, then please do so. It takes a few seconds and it's free. Now, after you're logged in, you will be able to vote. I will be checking the number of votes every day, and as soon as I see that there are enough votes and interest, I will make the video. That's it. As usual, if you have any questions or if you need some help with your project, then please contact me through the forum, okay? And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you will get a notification every time I'm releasing a new video. That's it for today. See you in the next video. Bye bye.